Leaf Pop 20164, let's do this thing. Why is it not there? No. I'm very excited for this. Should have the big thick card in this last one. I don't know if people are big fans of it. I know when they released them, when sometimes the big thick card was like a 5 times. Here we go. One. Was sometimes, is it still sometimes a jersey? 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top is Charlton Heston all the way down to Lupita Nyong'o. That is 5 times. And paste her in and save. Here we go. That's cool. Liza Minnelli ticket. I don't think Liza Minnelli is actually on the list, so that'll be randomized between everyone. Liza Minnelli? No, done. Cool. Eileen Quinn, orange, numbered 3 of 3. Eileen Quinn is 101. 101 is David Cox. Stephen Tobolowsky is the next one. 190. 190 is Adrian Quick. And finally, John Heater, Napoleon Dynamite, 11 of 12. Spot 194. Wait, really? 190 and 194. 190 was Adrian, and 104 is Adam. All right, let me just figure these out. So 194, Adam Romano. What a product, eh? 190 was Adrian. And then this one was David. And then we'll randomize one more time. Whichever spot's on top will win on the 6th spin, will win Liza Minnelli. And that goes to James Lafferty. 6 times, James Lafferty. James Lafferty is in spot 54. And that goes the way of Romano. Congratulations. And that is the Pop 20164.